Good morning, students. 6th class maths. We were doing exercise 16.2. Today we will do the fourth question. Fourth question is find the area of the following triangles. Firstly, what is the formula of area of triangle? Formula of area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base multiply by height. If you know base, if you know height, then you can find simply the area of the triangle. Here in all the questions, in all the parts, base and height are given. So simply by the formula we can find the area. For example, in first part, base is given 50 centimeter. Height is given 42 centimeter. What is the formula? Area is equal to 1 by 2, B is a base, H is a height, base multiply by height. 1 by 2, base given 50, height 42. 2 ones are 2, 2 21s are 42. Now we will multiply these both the numbers. That will be 1050 centimeter square, because here also centimeter, here also centimeter, centimeter multiply by centimeter, that is equal to centimeter square. Next, fifth question. Here also some figures are given. See here. We will find the area of the following shapes. Firstly, we will find the length and breadth of all the shapes. For example, this figure given, we can make here a line. This will become one rectangle. You can write here it is a part 1, it is a part 2. Length of the figure, length of part 1 is 30 centimeter. Breadth we don't know. How we will find the breadth? This full line is 30 centimeter. This is 22 centimeter. How much left there? 30 minus 22, 8. Means length of part 1 is 30 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. Same way, this figure, this is the part 2. Length of part 2 is 22 centimeter given and breadth is 9 centimeter given. Firstly, we will find the area of part 1, then area of part 2, then we will add both the area. Area of part 1. Both the part are in rectangle shape. What is the formula of area of rectangle? Length multiply by breadth. Area of part 1. What is the length here? 30. What is the breadth here? 8. 30 multiply by 8. 8 3s are 24. This is 240 centimeter square. Now area of part 2. Length and breadth both are given. Length is 22 and breadth is 9. 22 multiply by 9. 198 centimeter square. Now total area of figure. Area of part 1 plus part 2. 240 plus 198. 438 centimeter square. Same way we can find the area of all the figures. Next is sixth question. Sixth question is length of a piece of square craft. Square craft paper is there. Now the shape of the paper is square. Length of the square craft means side of square is how much given? Side of square paper 14 centimeter. What is its area? Firstly we will find the area. What is the formula of area of square? It is side multiply by side. Area of square is equal to side multiply by side. Why? Because here length and breadth all the sides are same, equal. 14 multiply by 14, it is 196 centimeter square. This is the area of one square craft. Sia has used 12 such craft paper pieces to create the painting without overlap. Sia used 12 square craft. Area of one square craft is this. Find the total area used for the painting. Area of one square craft we have found, this is 196 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of 12 square crafts. Area of 12 square crafts, that is 12 multiplied by 196. What will be the answer? It will be, you can simply multiply these both the numbers. It will be 2352 centimeter